Get a feel for the 2023 Ford F-150. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, remote engine start, 4x4, chrome wheels, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.